How to use wildcards with ls without listing directory contents. ls typically displays only the files and folders in the present directory. But once you add a wildcard, it starts searching in subdirectories. Example. How do you limit the scope to only the current directory? Using osx.
LSD suppresses listing the contents of directories listed on the command line via the wildcard. From the documentation, D directories are listed as plain files, not searched recursively.
If you want to